Okay, so here we're just gonna go into the C directory. Yes, and then we're gonna go to nv main.c. We have this here. Oh wait, I mean let's see. Let's try something. We have this helper function here, and let's try to do something like this, I guess. So display rule, and I'm gonna say 50 because why not? You know what? Let's go for 35, and then 35. Make so make select make and make clean. Rest it works. So you can see that I'm actually using this, and this is how I am doing here. So this is the implementation, and if I go to this implementation, you can't find it here. Okay, because but we know that this has been implemented somewhere. I implemented it, of course. Who else would have implemented for me? Yes. So this is the thing that I'm getting. I don't know, most people use Java and Kotlin using the IntelliJ IntelliJ IDE, whereby it does everything for you in terms of the packages and the directory structure. So I'm gonna try to replicate the same thing LT here. I'm gonna try to make it again. So we know we have I want to do the same thing as this. Basically, I want to have same thing as this, but will I be able to do that? So okay, so let's say slc to slc dot back. So I'm just gonna say mv slc no mkdir slc s, and then cd slc. I'm gonna close my fucking yeah. So where was I? So let's try to do this. I'm gonna try to learn this now. So let's do another folder whereby the same again, the helpers folder here. So I'm gonna helpers and then cd helpers, and then I'm gonna say nv helpers funcs dot java, because fucking Java, Java, and then we say uh, class implementation of helper funcs.java file. I don't know, class of public class helper funcs, and then random function test. So warning, warning, this is a test function, and then so wait, what? Oh yeah, you need to do something like this. So package helpers. I don't know why I get errors here, but I think does it want this? No, it doesn't want this. It will compile and run. I'm gonna show you. So this is our test function. So public static void hello, and then I'm just gonna say what the fuck are you gonna say? You're gonna say this, and then I'm gonna say south. No, undo this. I'm just gonna say just give him a south. You shout that shit out. Hello world. hello world from helper funcs.java file. Undo. I said 2, but I okay. So this is the supposedly must be implemented in its own file. What? But what is the help funcs? It's good. I know it's good. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, let's do this because it's the same thing I did to the if I do because it's the same shit here. Look, see SRC dot back as the helpers. So ls nv. So if I do cat helpers dot java, it's basically the same shit. I don't know why it gives me errors, and also so it's creating the class files here. So I'm gonna have to find a way for the make file to remove all the okay wait. So wait, we have this here. Now we have this here. So if I do something like let's compile. No, let's not compile. Let's do something like this. So given that now I'm going to make the main.java file here. So mv main.java, and then I'm gonna say public our main class. So public class main, and then our main static function. So public static void main of string of args, and then south this shit hello world from main.java file, and then you do this. Oh fuck. And then this goes here. So we'll just do this, and then supposedly we can do something like import helpers funcs here. So it does know the my blink, the completion system is working and it's showing it, but I don't know why it's not like if I do this no result. If I do this, why cannot why? But if I do something like helper funcs.hello, it works. Why? Now I'm just gonna copy the make file. Sure. Oh, can I? Oh. Instead of copying the make file, I can refer to the make file like so. So cd cat dot slash src dot back make file. So let's copy this whole piece of garbage right here, and we make a file, paste this over here, rm.rf main class rm.rf oh what main class, and then what do you say? I was gonna say can I do this? Helpers because my directory structure is like this. Okay, so helpers here, and then helpers slash all that class. I'm gonna try this out. I did run the file, right? No, I did not run the file. Oh yeah, I did not run the file. What the fuck am I talking about? Do I need? I think I need to compile it also. So, and we make file. Yeah, I'm compiling it also, and therefore this should be here like so, and then I was gonna say make what Oh, I get it now. Public class helper function is public. Should be declared in a file name public. What the fuck? CD so but soc dot back slash helper dot java. Okay, what is wrong here? Helper function. So you see, helper function Java. What is wrong here? Why is why? Why? CD helpers. No. And we space ff. No space ff main dot Java. D space ff. No space ff helpers func dot Java. You see, I am currently in helpers, in the helpers file, and I don't know. I don't fucking know. Or should I just? What is wrong here? Oh, oh, space E. Oh, oh, I get it. I get it. So obviously you need the package helpers. Let's try. Let's do the mistake. Why does this work and why does it not work? You know, and then the helpers here and the helper funcs make. Okay, because the file doesn't, the file is not present, so space f helper funcs, and then the uh, mark this file as a package. So package helpers. I don't know. Let's try this. Make. Okay. So this is how we do it. I guess. Okay. So I think make clean. Wait. LT. Make clean. LT. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. So the learning setup. This is how the current project structure looks like. So LT, Control SC, undo, yeah, good, and then good. So the learning setup, and then the current contents of our hell, bruh, fuck. Yeah, I can't type. The funcs.java file. So this is going to be cat helpers, and then the helper funcs.java, and then I'm just gonna pipe this to wl-copy. Yeah, I can't type for some reason today. And this is going to be, oh no, it's not console. So this is, oh fuck, this is going to be Java. Yes, as you can see, Java. And then and also this is not current contents of the, so c slash main main.java file. Clear. So so this, Wait, what was I? Cat main that Java SW copy. So import the helper uh, helper slash helper funcs.java file main.java undo what. Okay, I don't apparently I can't do anything today. Okay, let it be. So okay, let's go. This is the current content factory. Very nice. And then no, but I had to do something like this. So f this and then src slash helpers slash helper func. This is how I am compiling and running the running the program with my make file. So make and yeah, space ff. So make file, control a, yank this, paste this over here. This is going to, what did I do? I have bash. Oh, make file. It's just okay. Make file. Very nice. Okay, let's go and create some arrays, I guess. How the fuck do you create some arrays? There was a yeah, control O. So python dash numpy arrays, numpy yeah. So numpy arrays, and then the installation of the numpy module, and then the numpy arrays types and the types argument, function and method related to a numpy. And then this is the numpy arrays. In the following you're going to see execution of multi-dimensional array. So let's go and create some simple ones. So wait, let's just copy this. Why not? The following code block is going to show us how to, you know, so let's go ahead and create some arrays. How do you create an array in C? That's what she said. Oh yeah, I need to implement my. Oh no. This is not good. That's not good, bro. I need to actually implement it. So nv space fo space ff the helper funcs, and then this is a so space ff main.java okay, and then we have this so function. What type of function do I have there? First of all, because yes, function that function to help us draw function that will help us draw a horizontal rule. I should have told him about the Archibald script, you know. function that's to help us draw a horizontal rule. So public 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 static void display underscore rule of int num of num chars. So display rules should be like this. Where am I fucking up again now? Okay. Display rules should be like, oh fuck. Oh fuck. At least it was not that many comments to, you know. Okay, so this is going to be this, and then sys out. Or should I use this printf? Similar to the. I'm just gonna use out, yeah. So. So iterate through the number of characters present. So the number of characters, and then for int I equal to 8 or less than numchars, and then the I plus plus, and then south undo south, and then print so this. So if I do something like in my public, I'm just gonna, you know, no. Okay, so my main file is here. I know that I can exit this out, and then the helper function dot display rule, and then the numchars, I'm gonna go for 50, why not? And then clear ls rm-rf src dot back ls cd src ls make clean make. Very nice. And then this works. Okay, no, but I need to use it with something called this make. Let's try make. Huh? Oh, because I have no, I don't have this here, so I'm just gonna use the printf. What? Huh? System dot out dot printf. Oh fuck. You're telling me that because of the printf function I have to convert this character into string? The fuck, bro? Clean make. You're telling me because of this? How? Can't be. Ah, I don't understand this. Why am I not understanding this? This is going to print a blank line. There we go. This is going to print a blank line. We don't want a blank line. We just want to, you know, print f. I'm just gonna say backslash n. Make clean. Make clean, bruh. Make clean, bruh. Let's make. Very nice. That's what she said. So well, so we have this. Wait. Make clean. So we have this function to display. What did I write? What did I write? ls nv space fh helpers.c visual function to allow us to, you know, function display public static void display int r. So we know that we have to do this int array. Then we have to do something like this, and then iterate through the length of the array, and then I'm just gonna do this because it's the same thing, pretty much the same thing, you know. System.out.printf, and then the length, undo. The length in this case is just going to be, because we have the method that length, no, the AR dot length. So for example, if I do something like int x, int of 3ex x, bruh, where's the fucking x? 1 2 3. So 0, bro, what the fuck am I doing? 1 2 3. Oh, I don't need to do this. Oh, I don't need to define size. What? Oh, what? I don't know Java arrays then. Java primitive arrays, I don't know. So if I do something like south, and then I'm gonna say x, and then I'm gonna say x dot length, and I'm gonna say, yeah, and then I'm gonna make clean. Oh my god, today is not my day. Very nice, very nice. But if I turn this into an object, so if I do something like print of object of x, make clean make, okay, how do you I don't know about arrays. I'm just gonna focus on what the fuck, I don't know. So yeah, basically you have this control s this, you have 3 here, you have 3. So this is what make lt make what the fuck, clean make. You have your things, you know, you have your things. lt I said make make clean, it's the SOCLS, make clean lt. Very nice, very fucking nice. Now we have this, so yeah, I guess, you know, I can just do something like undo, and then I'm just gonna say dot x dot length, and then, you know, the helper funcs dot display int r, and then this is going to make clean make. Very nice. As you can see, it's very nice. It's a bit slow because fuck Java, you know, but you have to learn it. You have to learn Java, you know. And then this, if I do something like this, I go straight back to it. Nice, very nice, very nice. Nice. So if I do something like this and then paste this over here, and then paste this one more time, and then and then float over float, and then, you know, then char of this char, and then character array undo, and then the float array of any size. Very nice. And then if I do undo, if I do something like this, I'm just gonna say this, and then the y dot 1 dot 1 and dot 1, and then it's going to be float. Oh, it's double. No, I'm gonna because I know double can This is going to work. You know what? I'm gonna make double. So it's 64 bytes, I think. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna. Again, I'm just gonna go move fast today. Bruh. Double the array and then undo. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna say. So I'm just gonna say double. It should work. It should not work because it can't work. Yeah. Y and then the I'm just gonna say Z or Z or Z and then 1, 2, then 3. So from what I can see, delete char and then dead here. What? Char method is not applied. Why do I have to post the size? No, because this is why is the method? Oh, what the fuck? The method display char array in the type is not appropriate for the arguments. Oh yeah, char here. So make clean make. Kill somebody. I'm gonna kill somebody. I'm telling you. I'm gonna fucking kill somebody. Fucking kill somebody. You know. So float. You're telling me if I do something like you're telling me if I do like import java.utils.double double x equal to 0. What did it say? Java that I use the formatter format. Lang the double. Wait, what? You're joking me. You have to import Java that lang that double. What the fuck? Clean make. What is wrong? What is wrong? Should it not work? Like fine. I see where the problem is. It's a long. Wait, what is this? What? Oh no. What is the format specifier for double in C? You should tell me. What specifier double in C? It's a percent %f. Oh yeah. No, but float also. Long float. Yeah, no long float. So what is it in Java? So percent %f itself. Okay, similar to. So yeah. And then this is going to be percent %c. Make clean make. Very nice, very nice. 0.2 C. Okay, 0.2 C. Wait, no. You can't 0.2 C something. A character. X, and then this is going to be 9. Oh my god. 9 up. I think you have to add the. No, it's okay. But what if I add it? What if I added like a 0 here? Yeah, okay, so this not work. So 0.2 is similar to Python. In this case, I'm gonna do percent 0.2. So t space sorry space space ff main dot c, and then I'm just gonna say x a float of x is 3 equal to 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and then here, then display float char x, and then the length of x. Okay, ls make clean make. Very nice, very fucking nice. Undo, and then yeah. So printf some shit here. Okay, so we are done. I think we are done with this. Fuck, this took me a lot of time, you know. Control A, but I learned how to make packages. I understand packages now, you know. And then this is current contents of undo. So one sys, and then here. So the current contents of main.5. So public static main. So south out. Hello world. Hello world, and then I'm just gonna say something like make clean. Clear make clear. Hello world. Very nice. Clear. So this is going to be this, and then this is going to be Jat. Yeah, very nice. So I'm just gonna compile and sync, you know. Compile. I'm just gonna reload and git commit and sync. So space space g. Oh my fucking god. Space g. Yeah. Let's go here. Space g ac update. Understood how to make packages in Java. I now have an idea on how to split a single .java Java file into multiple ones. Very nice. And I'm just gonna say space GB should open right here right now. So yeah, so this, and then I'm gonna be trying to I need to understand the LSeq, how to make a formula with LSeq. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to like make a formula with LSeq, and then yeah, because I don't remember anything that I did for my like lab sheet. Yeah, so I think it's cd obsidian git dash no page dash log 1. So manual backup 20 clear. So yeah, I'm just gonna learn how to make arrays, and yeah, that's it today for now. I'm gonna continue in class tomorrow. I'm also gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. os dash no os dash lab sheet 4. I have this whereby I have to complete this, and I need to make all of this because I want to relearn how to do this. So I'm gonna make all of it again. I'm gonna like do this, and then but the lecture was talking about how to like create a buffer, like yeah, basically he was talking about this. whereby we can prepend spaces and append spaces after, so that all the data inside stays like constant. So if it's therefore you do not use stir len, you just use the size of the buffer, because the size of the buffer is always filled, because you're adding spaces to it. So I'm not gonna use horizontal rule, I'm not gonna do anything like that. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. So I was gonna say here I'm gonna go back. Wait. Question updated question 10. Okay. Because L seek requires some calculation to do. I am going to simplify the data that we are. Oh my fucking god, bro. Data that we are writing to the file. That is to remove the display rule. No, I have an ARO thing that there's this. So you are going to see that this is right here. Make AR rule. So let me explain to you how we are writing this to the file. So basically, you know how I like my display rule function, whereby you have this, but instead to writing it to like the printf, you just output it to you just insert that data to the array. This is appending data, so it's easy. I don't need to learn this. I mean, I'm gonna have to learn data again. I'm arrays again, so not data. Yeah, but fuck. Make a rule. It writes to the buffer and then it returns that array. So it returns to that array. It doesn't return to that array. Just do it. You pass the array. Yeah, fucking dickhead. Remove the make underscore AR rule function. So yeah, so basically I'm gonna also warning, talk with lecturer. While I talk with my lecturer, and he said to not use fgets for the input and simply use scanf. Now, so note. Does this work? I've never tried. It's not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's never gonna work. No, this is gonna work. Yeah. Note. Now, I do I think oh my god, bro. I think that instead of using using a plain uh, scanf function, I am going to make emulate the f of gets function point. You can find the notes about this emulation in the file/note note c dash language language basics, and then do emulating fget function. Wait, what? Arrays? No, it's not arrays. C dash language basics. What? What the fuck? The fuck did it go? C language. Oh, it's no dash. C language basics. Emulating scanf with this, and then shift F this, shift F this. Undo. So this, shift paste, and then this. Very nice. So again, we open our c-arrays node and the java-arrays primitive arrays, yeah. And then yeah, let's how do you make a fucking array in Java? How to make a primitive Java? Like, I just want, do you put the size? You don't put the size. You don't put the size. From what I can understand. Int array. Int array. There's documentation here, bruh. So yeah, I need to make an array of strings also. So this a string. So you know what? I'm just gonna add it. Function to display string. So string of string. I think it's gonna work. Hope it's work, because in the in this case, to make a string array because a string cannot be represented in C, to make a string you have to make an array of characters. Therefore, to make an array of strings, you have to make a two-dimensional array. Yes, very nice. So, and then we have this. Will this work now? Will this work? See, if I do something like x equal, so string of x equal to, so shitter, bitch, and then motherfucker, fucker, and then I do like helper funcs dot display string of args, and then x. Will this work? Make clean mucky bitch motherfucker. Very nice. So you know what, I'm just gonna yank this out. Yank? No, yeah, it's not yeet, it's gonna be yank Yink. Yink. Brother. Brother. Bro, look at my full display, bro. Display, 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 and then the display, display. So display. So undo display. Now in this. Now in this. Now in this. Now in this. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Why does this have an arrow here, and then why does this one when I not have an arrow? What? What? So very nice. Make clean. Yes, 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 yes. And then this is okay. So let's get started. And then python dash numpy arrays, and then this is also going to be something here. Bitch, be humble, sit down. Bitch, be humble. And there's no value. So this is going to be Java. So okay. Are we ready to start? Let me go to the toilet, and then let me, fucking, start doing it. I'm gonna do this. Basically, I'm just gonna do this simple thing. Then I'm gonna go to straight to the C problem, and then when I finish, I'm gonna go to Django. When I'm finished, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm not gonna do much today. Just give me a minute. I'll be right back. I am back. Let's get started. So declare and and initialize array of integer. So int r with 5 equal to, so 1 2 3 4 5, and then declare into float of so float, and then this is can be 0.001%, and then this is going to be 0.0002, and then this is going to be 50.50%. I don't know. That's gonna be 69. You have to add it, it's not that 69 or 69, and then this is a 0. It's a point. It's a point 0 over 0, and then this is a declare the floatery, and then this is also going to be the string. So what am I doing? So float char, yeah. So float char of AR, character of AR character. So di this, and then go something like a no a b, no, it's not, c k, and then this, no, this, and then info, array of characters. Of characters. So okay, info, array of characters as strings cannot be represented in memory simply we oh no, no, exit tmux tmux a-t arrays. Oh my god, I hope no. tmux, yeah, it's like tmux. So string cannot be represented simply we therefore we need to make an array of characters to be able to represent a string in C. So create array of characters with no size limit. So what do I say? So char of string text of string equal to this is how you make a string in C. Oh, so then note, if you want to you can add a size limit to the number of characters. If I can I do something like display char? I never done this. String, yeah, and then the length of the string. Will this work? Make clean make. Oh, very nice. Yeah, because an array, it's an array of string. Make string in C. Very nice. And obviously you have the \0. So create characters with size limit. So char of greet, okay, equal to hello 0 1 2 3 4 5. What if I call something like, what if I do something printf \n and then something like length equal to %d len of what len of greet. Huh? Len function. No. There's a misunderstanding. Len array. Ha. So this is going to be 5. Oh, I understand now. The problem comes here. Long ld. Make clean. Make. See, it's 6. 0 1 2 3 4. No. 1 2 3 4 5. You have to have 6 because of \0. And I'll tell you that you have to do always to do twice, because if someone is entering something, so yeah, so because if I do something like display underscore char AR and then also greet, and then the size is going to be the length of the greet, and then I'm going to say make clean make, you're gonna see that you have this special value. Now sometimes when you use fgets, I think fgets, and when you enter characters, the stream buffer has the \n. So if you have another character input, you have to just get char, you have to call the get char function. Therefore I consider to I mean, it depends on what you want to do. Some people, sometimes I rather use getChar method, the function, and just consume that backslash n character inside the stream buffer, the input buffer, where the input goes, So, or you could store that backslash n character inside here. For example, if I do something like this is not gonna work. It's gonna work. Green, make. It's gonna work. It's a new line character, but it doesn't have the backslash character. So for that, I have to do something like let's do 8. Let's do 8. Make clean. Make. See how we get two values. See how this enter. There's the new line character and then two values which is empty. You understand me? Or 6. So you just do twice. So in this case you have to store 5 values, but you don't store 5 values, you store 7 values. That's what I was trying to say. So yeah, so this is so info I did talk about this. So the null null terminator slash null terminator and new line character. If when asking for user inputs for character user inputs, I would rather make the size of the buffer slash array of characters two span style two size above. I would rather make the size of array 2 more than the required input. Let's say that, as you know, if the users let me do it actually. So let's say that we have an int greet or something like that. So you have 3. So from what I can understand, you can only add one character. So char greet. So if I do something like printf enter one character equal to greet, and then char of x equal to 5. Let's just do something like that. Printf python hands enter one character, and then you have this. So and then let's just say scanf percent s and then the greet. Now if you do something like this again and then enter 3 characters, the below is you know, we don't care about the below. Just make clean, make enter one character. I'm gonna enter 3 characters. 1, 2, 3. No. Alright, entered. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Oh, because the f this kind of function only. Huh. Wait a second. Display char array char of a greet of a len of greet, and then this is also going to be receive x make clean make 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3. Okay, so in this case it did do this, but let's say we use the instead of using, that is why the lecturer is telling me to use scanf. I don't have to, you know, f gets the actual buffer, and then the size of the input, the size of greet, and then these from standard in. So I think it should work. And then I have this also here. I'm just gonna x this out. So clear make clean make 1 2 3 4. See how it, you know, see how like I entered 1 2 3 4, but only 1 2 entered. Okay, makes sense because I entered 1 2. My buffer has a size of 3, meaning I can enter 1, I can place 2, and I can enter the backslash character. But because the backslash n character, the new line character, doesn't have space to go inside the buffer, the greet buffer, the greet array of characters, it stays in the input buffer and then enters automatically. See how like 3 and 4 becomes here now? Because at this point in time, backslash n is here, so it makes perfect sense. So in this case, if I want to enter 4 characters, I will have to, so 1 2 is entered, backslash 0, so 1 2 3 4 backslash 0, and so 6. So again, 6 characters, so 6 characters here. So I'm gonna go for 7. Let's go for 6. I want to see what happens. No, wait. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 backslash 0 backslash n. So in this case it should not work properly. 1 2 3 4. Oh, it works. 1 2 3 4, and then you can see the new line character has not been stored inside. So if I do something like 7, it should get, from my intuition and from my experience, it should I'm not sure, should go inside. Okay, it's still, you know, fucked up. Why does so the new line character stays in the buffer? Okay. If I do something like get char here, make clean make 2 3 4, because my backslash n it's not good. Yeah, so basically use kind of. Okay, so 6 equal to hello 456. Yes. So in this case, I'm just gonna do this. Oh yeah, as you know, if the user as you know user enters something like hello, my the character, the array that holds this string is going to look something like this. Console. So greet equal to, so H E L so L E hello, it's me. I was wrong. Currently looks like this. Hence so we from what I can oh, fuck this. Yeah, let's just note this. Yeah, it just looked like this. Okay, here I'm just gonna use ChatGPT to convert this to uh a double convert this to Java. I need to yeah, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to convert this to Java. Convert this to Java and add another array that double, right? What the fuck? Double and array dancing in the moonlight. Everybody. Declare. So if I do display helper function display joy clear array of strings string is the Lewis Hamilton. No, Lewis Hamilton first. No. So you have to do the goat first, which is obviously Ayrton Senna, and then you're gonna do Sebastian Vettel. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 Vettel, and then I'm gonna say Max Verstappen, and obviously the greatest good Nicholas Latifi, the goat. So if I do helper funcs dot display string error, so it's gonna be like this. I mean, to be honest, coding in Java feels like coding in a corporate job. I'm not joking. This is how I feel, you know. Just feels like, like coding a corporate job. Like, what the fuck? So fucked up, bro. So basically, yeah. You know what? I'm gonna go float also. Should I go for the float? Float. So array of double. So what the fuck did I do here? Double, so array of double array. But I think, oh no, control shift A. Sorry. But I think, and from what I understand, if I do something like this should work. This should definitely work. Hell, helper funcs dot double AR, and then this make it clean, make, and then oh because it's too small. That's what she said, because it's too small. So if I do something like 1 point, make clean, make, should work then. But it does work, it's not like it's not working. Okay, so yank inside this. No. Yank, yank inside this, and then so I have already done this. I think I'm gonna stop here for now because I'm getting too late. So at least I've started it, so I can continue it. No, I would have done this at all today, which I've just been playing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm going to do. But by the way, this video is a video about Django. But to be honest, this is better. Just read this motherfucking thing and you're good. They're gonna show you everything. So basically, at tomorrow in the lecture, I'm going to be reading this. I'm going to be doing this instead of following the lecture because we don't fucking understand anything he says. So that's why give us time, yeah. So yeah, there we go. And then so yeah, we quit all and then exit here. Oh no. We quit all and then exit here, exit here. So CD University, lazy git AC update. Going to continue with arrays later on. Now I'm going to try to redo the question 10 for OS-lab sheet 4 so that I don't have problems with lseek, motherfucker. So cd obsidian git status. So git commit and commit and sync with specific message update. I am going to continue to work on arrays. So c dash arrays and primitive arrays later on. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. What the fuck is this top funds? Oh, what does that mean? Like, live chat, top chat. The fuck's the difference? The fuck's the difference? Very nice. Yay! Reviews. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now? So I need to set up everything. So cd uni slash labs slash c. Wait, what? OS. Yeah, there we go. And remain at C. So everything here. So what question is this? So let's see. Close enter person data. Check file open. File disk. Lab. Yeah, it's the same question because truck of persons. I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna get restore dot. I'm gonna do this again. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream now. It's been great. It's been great. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Thank you. Wait. Before I go, yeah, this is not live. This should be live. I want this to be live. Yeah.